Today, I will be reviewing the Fincci tires. I just got these off of Amazon, and they seem pretty good. They're foldable, and I got the black wall version. The rear tire is the old tire, and the front one I already replaced, as you can see. This is what the new tire looks like. It's pretty flat, so after you cut it, you're going to want to splay it out and kind of massage it to get it into shape. Some bike tires are pretty hard to get on, but this one was particularly hard. I've gotten on bicycle tires before without tire levers, but it's already difficult with other bike tires, and this one I don't think I could have even done it without tire levers. Some tires do come with levers, so you'll want to check that before you go out and buy a pair, but they're super cheap. It's just a piece of plastic, but extremely helpful, and I would highly recommend getting tire levers. I was at a craft fair recently, and I got this 10mm auto valve cover. It's an actual bullet casing. Super cool. If you want to see me review more bicycle products, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. So I think I've put in about a couple of miles on these tires, which isn't very much, but they're not terribly heavy and they're smooth rolling. They seem great. I like them a lot. I'll leave a link in the description below for them if you want to check them out. And another thing, and this is my honest review, but the traction on these tires is surprising. It's actually really good. So I pumped these tires up to 60 psi, so I didn't even air them down, but I was riding over loose terrain and even up a steep hill in my backyard, and it barely slipped at all. I made it up without having to put my foot down. And the tire is perfectly smooth and works well on the road. You know, of course it doesn't grip as good as a mountain bike tire, so I wouldn't take this and ride in mud or snow, but even on a gravel trail, these tires work perfectly fine. Let me know in the comments if you have ever put slick tires in your mountain bike and how they performed.